Once you open Termux, the first thing you should do is list the files and folders in your home directory. This helps you confirm where your bot is located. By running the list command, you can easily spot your bot folder among the other directories. After identifying your bot folder, the next step is navigating into it. Using the change directory command followed by your bot folder name takes you directly into the location where your bot files live. This step is essential, because starting a bot from the wrong directory can cause errors or make it seem like the bot isn't working. Once inside the bot folder, listing the files again allows you to confirm everything you need is there. At this point, you should see the bot start script, which is usually named start.sh. This file contains all the instructions needed to launch your bot correctly. To restart the bot, you simply run the start script. As soon as you execute it, your bot begins running again using the same configuration it was deployed with. No reinstalling, no redeploying, and no wasted time, just a clean, fast restart directly from Termux.